Hello dear students, good afternoon. I hope doing well. Today is the great day of your way of learning. In that way, we are discussing on the topic so are very important and marks oriented topic is aromatic compound. So we first learn how can understand this topic. So very important for your NEET and JEE examination also. These other topics are important role play in advanced level. So we are discussing on the topic aromatic means aromatic compound aromatic word are derived from Latin words is aroma. What the meaning of aromatic? Aroma means the sweet smelling. So these are the aromatic compound are the in taste. In the taste, all the aromatic compounds are in taste is like sweet. So this topic is derived from the aroma. So how can understand this thing? Aromatic compound, those so aromatic those have organic compound those organic compounds are in first condition is cyclic, second one is planar, third thing is sp2 hybridize all carbon atoms, fourth one is follow the Huckel's rule, so what are the things how can understand the Huckel's rules? So we are discussing in these few minutes. So first condition, becoming the organic compound are in should aromatic compound. So first condition is cyclic, means these are the compounds are generally in cyclic. So second is planar, these are the planar compound. Third thing is sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, and fourth one is Huckel's. So how can understand these things? So these are the delocalization of pi electrons. How can understand the delocalization of pi electrons? Means that 4n pi plus 2 electrons should have. So 4n pi n belongs to integer. should be n belongs to integer, it means that n should have one, two, three, four, dot dot dot. So putting the value n equal to 1, so the electron is 4 n pi 1 plus 2 electrons, means 4 into 1 pi plus 2 is should have 6 pi electrons. In we are taking on 2, so 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10 pi electrons. 3, so we are taking 3, so 14 pi electrons. So here pi electrons means the movement of pi bond around the aromatic compounds is called benzenes. So here should be carbon, here also carbon, all the bent position is called carbons. So there are 3 bond, one carry hydrogen, so in that way how many pi bonds? 1 2 3 pi. 3 pi bond means 6 pi electrons. So 6 pi electrons, these are the pi electrons are changing their place. So these are the resonating structure. So these resonating structure means that so these pi electrons are moving, shifting their position. So we can draw the picture like this is the structure of benzene. These are the structure of benzenes. So we are taking some examples of benzene. So these are the structure of benzenes. These are also aromatic compound. Is called aniline. This is benzoic acid. These are benzaldehyde. So these are the benzaldehydes. We are drawing some other examples. Anisole, these are the nitrobenzenes. So these are the examples of benzene, but we are take the some examples like benzene structure. So this is called anthracene. This is called benzene. Now we are, so aromatic compound are more stable. So we are taking one point here. Aromatic compound are more stable in compared to anti-aromatic compound. So these are the stable or these are non-stable. Now we discuss on method of preparation of benzene. So first method is from acetylene. So from acetylene, so first thing, so passes through red hot tube. We can write here RHT. At 870 degree temperature, they convert into benzene. So we can write here in this structure. So when acetylene is treated with red hot, or we can write here passes through. Red hot tube at 873 degree Kelvin temperature to form benzene. So this is the first method of from acetylene to benzene. Second method is decarboxylation of aromatic acid. So how can convert decarboxylation from aromatic acid? So these are the decarboxylation means sodium benzoate, it react with soda lime. So soda lime means sodium oxide, sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. In presence of heat, they convert into benzene. So benzene and the bi-mono product is sodium bicarbonate. So try to understand this reaction mechanism. So first thing, how can these things sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So here sodium hydroxide convert into benzene and sodium bicarbonate. Third method of preparation of from phenol. From phenol. When phenol is react with the zinc, or sometimes is called zinc dust. So both are the same. So they convert into benzene, and bi-mono product is zinc oxide. So in this case, zinc oxide as a monoproduct and form to benzene. So this will called phenol, or this is called benzene. So we can write the reactions in that manner. Phenol is react with reacted with zinc, bracket use dust, to form benzene. And one thing, fourth method of preparation is from hexane. So this reaction is called aromatization. So aromatization reactions, so in this case is passed through chromium oxide or manganese oxide or vanadium oxide in the presence of 773 degree temperature or 10 to 20 atm pressure. So here is temperature required 773 degree temperature, and catalyst used with the oxide aromatization is chromium oxide or manganese oxide or vanadium oxide. These are the things are converted into directly benzene. So these are the process how can benzene is prepared. So there are four method we are discussing, method of preparation of benzene. So thank you for watching this video.